You searched how to buy shares of H.B. Fuller Company, and this video will walk through the process. H.B. Fuller is a global adhesives and specialty chemicals manufacturer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FUL. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker FUL to find H.B. Fuller Company. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name. Open the H.B. Fuller Company stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the ticker FUL and the summary details so you are viewing the correct asset. Click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session. If your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For reference, the example eToro link is available in the description below.